2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Green Day. Wake Me Up When September Ends. Okay. It's not quite for beginners, but maybe you can get away with it playing it the easy way. We do have a bar chord. Song is in G, standard tuning. G major. 1, 2, 3. Then we have an F sharp over G like that. Second fret E string, low E string, and second fret B. Third fret B. And then E minor. Keep the pinky where it is. First finger, second fret A. And then D without the high E string. So same thing, that this note stays where it is. And then we have the bar chord. C major, that's 3, 5, 5, 5. And then we want to make that minor. It's 3, 5, 5, 4. And then back to G. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from G, pinky stays where it is, okay? Third fret B string. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor and D. 2, 3, 4. That's when you lift up the pinky and replace the pinky with the third finger. 2, 3, bar chord. 2, C major, C minor, G, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how you would strum it if you can't do the picking. G, F sharp, a chord that we already learned, to E minor. That's 2, 2. B minor. Bar second fret, and then 4, 4, 3. It's just like the C minor, but done half step. And C major. G. Sharp. And on D major. Okay, so that was the strumming and the switching. If we want to do the picking, that's 6, 3, 2, 2 times. And then same picking over F sharp. Same picking over E minor. And now you gotta pick over D, you wanna pick 4, 3, 2. And then C, that's 5, 3, 2. For the chorus, we just strum. Okay, and the intro is actually a little bit different. Start a little bit higher. So they grab this G. The B and the E, the G and the B string is the same. But grab 5th fret on the D string and play 4, 3, 2. Repeat that 4 times. Go down to F sharp. That's 4. Keep your first finger where it is, and then 2, and then we got D. C is the same. Let's do that again. 5th fret, D string. Here we go. 4, 2, open. C major, C minor. And then we stay low. All the parts. So basically the verse part and the chorus part, that's it. And the picking. Thanks guys for tuning in. Awesome song. Great on the acoustic guitar. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Stay cool.